One of the most important things to do when juicing your carrots is to use a high-quality juicer. This will ensure that you get the maximum amount of nutrients and flavor from your vegetables, so you're not just making juice, but creating a delicious and nutritious meal in one glass. The best carrot juicers are able to extract every last drop of goodness out of your produce for optimal health benefits. There are many products available to choose from, best juicers for carrots, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best juicers for carrots from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tribus Slow Juicer for Carrots. The Greenstar Elite 5050 is the perfect juicer for anyone who wants to start a juicing journey for a healthy life. It has a compact design that fits on any countertop, and includes plenty of smart features like automatic pulp ejection, which makes cleanup easy. The powerful motor works at 2 speeds and extracts more juice than ever before from fruits, vegetables or leafy greens, with 12 years warranty protection. The new Power Twin system in this model allows it to extract twice as much juice with half the time, compared to previous models. Portable with balanced sure grip handle for easy carrying, 12-year warranty. Automatic pulp ejection for continuous juicing and easier cleanup. Easily juices most fruits, herbs and vegetables, and grinds nuts, grains. Clean the juicer with mild soap, and avoid using any hard chemicals, such as bleach, to prolong the quality of the product. Pros. Strong juicer and high-speed juicer would in Pushimbis for all fruits. Cons. Number 2. Tribus SW2000 Slowstar. The Tribus Slowstar Vertical Slow Juicer and Mincer is designed to be a versatile kitchen tool that can handle a variety of food preparation tasks. The vertical design allows the Slowstar to fit into tight spaces, but still have enough clearance for larger fruits and vegetables. It has an extra wide feed chute, 3 inches, which means less cutting chopping for you. This juicer also comes with a pasta nozzle attachment, so you can make fresh pasta at home. Electric Juicer and Mincer. Featuring a powerful 200-watt motor and 3-stage speed reduction gears, Slowstar Masticating Juicer provides slow, cold-press juice extraction, with 47 RPM, which results in the best, fresh juices with minimal oxidation, compared with juice from centrifugal juicers. Duo Blade Ultimager. The vertical cold-press juicer features duo blade that creates 2 times more cutting action. The auger rapidly cuts and crushes your produce while extracting more juice with less pulp. Mincing Attachment. Increase the versatility of Slowstar Mincer Chopper by turning it into a multi-purpose tool with the included mincing attachment, which allows you to create your favorite recipes like sorbets from frozen culmination, entire food sauces and more. Pros. Easy to clean with warm water, large chute and high-speed multiple function. Cons. Noisy. Number 3. Breville Centrifugal Juicer for Carrots. The Breville Juice Fountain Compact may be small, but it is packed with power. It features a 3-inch wide chute, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables, and conveniently collects pulp within the footprint of the unit to conserve counter space. The Breville 800J EXL Juice Fountain Elite is the ultimate in home juicing. The 1000-watt motor spins up to 13,000 RPMs to give you up to 30% more juice than traditional juicers. With its unique 3-inch extra wide chute feed, you can juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. This juicer features a 3.2 QT pulp container and 35.2 FL juice jug with froth separator, which allows you to juice to your heart's content. The power cord wraps around its feet under the base, and the pulp container separates from the machine for easy cleaning. The Breville Juicer machine's unique 3-inch extra wide chute feet allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. Number 4. Mueller Juicer Ultra. Mueller Austria Juicer Ultra Power is a new generation of juicers. It has been designed with the latest technology to ensure that you get the most juice from your fruits and vegetables. It comes with a large 3-feed chute which avoids spillage, a 13 low speed for soft fruits and others, 2 fast speed for harder fruits like carrots and many others. Under a sleek modern stainless steel design and low countertop footprint, it packs the punch of a much larger, bulkier and more expensive juicer, at a fraction of the size and cost. Create a 16 ounces cup of juice in seconds, with less clogging and less foaming. Our Ultra Juicer's culinary-grade stainless steel cutting disc is surrounded by a micro-mesh filter to extract more juice, vitamins and minerals, all while being easy to clean and assemble in seconds. Features an anti-drip function and 3-chute to avoid spillage. A safety locking arm makes sure the cover stays on tight during operation. The overload protection system shuts off the juicer automatically to prevent overheating from an unstable power supply, improper assembly, idle run, etc. Pros. High speed, easy to assemble and clean. Cons. Loudy. Number 5. Breville JE98XL Juicer Stainless Steel. When you're looking for a juicer that will fit your needs and produce great tasting juices, the Breville Juice Fountain Plus is hard to beat. It has an extra wide chute so it can accommodate even whole fruit or vegetables, without needing any prep work first. You also have 2-speed options: slow juice at low RPMs, good if using plant-based ingredients, and fast speeds, when extracting more liquid from leafy greens etc., making this machine versatile in use, no matter what type of foodstuffs are being processed efficiently into delicious drinks every time. The stainless steel and titanium reinforced discs are designed for optimum juice. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.